Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'll be making me some creamy coconut curried shrimp made from scratch, filled with flavor with some nice aromatic coconut creamy curried sauce. Cook in a no time from scratch. So if you want to learn this delicious, flavorful and tasty creamy coconut shrimp recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe and let's go cook up some creamy coconut curried shrimp. Let's go.
These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make my coconut creamy and flavorful curried shrimp recipe. These are all the dry ingredients. Here I have me some all-purpose seasoning. Cannot make some nice curried shrimp without the all-purpose seasoning. Some black pepper. A combination of ginger, garlic, and pimento. Some onion powder. Some pimento seed. Some garlic powder. Some fish seasoning. I'm just going to use a little bit of this because I'm doing seafood, so I'm just putting a little bit of my fish seasoning here. Flavorful and nice. Here I got my classic coconut milk. This is where the flavor and everything is gonna come out in. Here I got my curry powder. Use whatever curry powder you have, okay? Doesn't really matter the brand. Here I got my peeled, deveined, tail on shrimp. Okay, it's raw. So I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up my shrimp. Purchase this in Walmart, but you could purchase, shrimp at your local fish market or any of your preference. Okay. Here I have me some fresh chopped garlic. Here I have me some fresh thyme. Some chopped up carrots, some nice chopped up bell peppers. Here I got my scotch bonnet pepper. This is a must in my kitchen. Here I got me some chopped up onion. And lastly, I have my diced scallion. So guys, if you want to learn this delicious, flavorful recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you stay tuned. So guys, let's go make some flavorful creamy coconut curried shrimp. Let's go.
At this point, I'm going to clean up my shrimp by cutting me one lime. I'm just gonna cut it in two. And then I'm just gonna use this to just clean up my shrimp. I like when my seafood or whatever I'm cooking is well cleaned up and it's smelling fresh and nice. See all that nice juice going in my water to clean up my shrimp. So pay close attention how I clean up my shrimp. Alrighty, let's go. To that, I'm adding me some distilled white vinegar. The vinegar also helps to take away some of the raw fishy smell from your seafood. So I'm just adding a little bit and I'm just cleaning up my shrimp right here, taking away all that smell. As I said earlier, my shrimp is already deveined and cleaned up, so I don't have to do really much. As you can see, I don't have to do any cleaning up and take out none of that from the shrimp. So I'm just here cleaning up my shrimp, getting some away that fishy smell and stuff like that. All right. And there you have it. My shrimp is all cleaned up, looking oh so good, and is smelling so fresh and nice. Before we season our shrimp, I am going to pat dry my shrimp, making sure that excess water is being dried up. Going in now with all my dried seasoning to my shrimp. And I'm adding me roughly 1 teaspoon of each of my dried seasoning to my shrimp. So let's go and season up this bad boy together. To my matzo board, I am adding me a few of my pimento seed, where I'm just going to use this right here to crush all of my pimento seed together, making sure it is looking refined and right, just like this. This is something I grew up on in Jamaica, and it's still embedded in me. Okay, so now to my shrimp and my season, I'm just gonna sprinkle all of my refined pimento all over this niceness. All right, yes, so. And I'm just gonna combine everything together, making sure all that seasoning is infused into my shrimp. As I said, my kitchen is full of flavor and niceness. All right, follow these steps and I promise you, you won't go wrong. And voila, my shrimp is all seasoned up and is ready to be marinated. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to cover up my shrimp, leave it for 10 to 20 minutes until it's sweating and is marinated. To my saucepan, I'm going in with some of my pure vegetable oil, and I'm leaving this for like 1 to 2 minutes until it is hot. To my heated oil, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of my curry powder. At this process right here, we're going to burn our curry powder for 60 seconds. Please make sure you stir everything out until it is well dissolved into the oil. To that, I'm going in with some of my chopped fresh garlic. The smell is everything. To that again, I'm going in with some of my white chopped onion, some of my scallion, some bell peppers,
Also,
some fresh thyme,
some of my thyme,
my carrots, and we're gonna just combine everything together. We're going to season up all of this niceness right here with some of my season, where I'm adding me 1 teaspoon of each of these seasoning. Give it that nice stir again, combining everything together. And also we're going to leave this for 5 minutes until everything is combined. And we are back, and everything looks like it is ready. It is translucent and it's smelling oh so good. I love the smell right here in my kitchen. You're missing out something. You need to give it a try. To all of that, I'm going in with some of my coconut cream, and I'm adding me 1 cup. Give it a stir. Whoa, this look nice. This avabos in my kitchen, guys. OMG. Give it now 1 cup of water. Mix it up. You need to smell this now, your kitchen. All right. So we're going to leave this for like 10 to 15 minutes. But in the process, I love my, my food being flavorful with a little spice. So I'm adding me some of my scotch bonnet pepper. So all of that spiciness, it is infused in all of this niceness right there. So cannot wait to taste this finished product. And we are back. We're gonna give it a stir. Look at that, all of that niceness. Look how the curry bring out that flavor. Look at that coconut cream, how we make it creamy and is looking oh so good. The smell is everything, I must say. Now we're gonna give it a taste test, and we're going to adjust where necessary. And this need a little bit of salt. Remember, all of our dry seasoning has salt in it, so we're not going to add a lot of salt. We're just going to add a little bit like that. Just a tubes of salt. We don't want it to be salty, just a little tubes. Please add salt according to your taste, to your liking. This is my liking, so that's why I'm, doing it from my taste buds, okay? Do whatever you like in your kitchen, okay? To all of that niceness, I'm just going now in with my shrimp. Look at my shrimp. You could tell that was sweating and it's gonna taste so good. Give it that stir, making sure my shrimp is well combined in that nice sauce right there, so. And we're going to leave this for like 10 to 15 minutes until my shrimp is pink and nice. And look at the finished product coming along. Look how my shrimp look good. OMG, I'm in love. And to top it off, I'm going back in with some of my red and my yellow bell peppers. Cannot get enough of all of this niceness right there. So, OMG, guys. You need to give this a try in your kitchen. Look how everything is coming out. Perfect. Curried, creamy coconut shrimp to perfection in my kitchen. OMG, cannot go wrong if you try this recipe. I'm topping off all of this niceness with some shelly buttery white rice. There you have it, guys. This recipe is super delicious, flavorful, and nice. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn your post notification button on so you don't miss out any video that I post. This is your beautiful girl, Jody. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And guess what, guys? Your girl is gonna go in right now. When I talk about flavor, let me give it a taste test. OMG, I am going in this niceness right here. So flavorful, the shrimp them tender and nice. The gravy going with my rice is everything. So guys, please try this out in your kitchen and let me know what you think about all this niceness right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you guys soon. More videos are coming up, so stay tuned. Bye, guys.